One of the activities for today was to go outside and find a bunch of rocks and then wash them and then maybe draw on them so that you could make shapes out of them. So I'm not sure how the weather's going to be in the morning, so I thought I would offer you another alternative for some other fun activity that you can do making shapes with other things. So what I did was I took some index cards and I folded them in half and I cut them across and I drew on them. So some of them I drew kind of like an upside down V. Other ones I drew half of a circle. Actually, what I did with this is I kept it all together and I stuck a cup on it. That was a circle shape. And I drew around it and then I cut it in half. Then the other pieces, I just drew lines on the edge of them. Because then what you can do with them is you can turn them into shapes. So look, if I'm putting these together, it's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can grab a piece of white paper. Can you see the green on the edge? So what I'm doing is I'm putting them together to make different shapes. So if I put maybe these 4 along the sides, and I put one across the top and one across the bottom, you see what shape I made? You're right. It's a rectangle. You could make a square. You can use one of these and the line. And what shape did I make? You're right. A triangle. You can even take several of them and make a triangle. See how I did slant lines on there? And then I can put the straight lines across the bottom. And I just made another triangle. If you do a bunch of them like this, and you put them together, if I had 5 of them going around, I could make a star. So that's one idea that you can do. Another idea was I took a piece of paper and I drew large shapes on them. What shape is this? 3 sides. Triangle. Then you can take other things that you have around the house. I found a bunch of different things. Like, what are these? Pencil. And you can use them to make the shapes. You see that? I stuck them down there and I made a triangle with it. I also have crayons. You can do the same thing with the crayons. And you can put them around. Maybe I need 2 on each side. Phew, excuse me. And with crayons, I made another triangle. So in my tray over here, I have lots of different things. I even have cars. Do you see these? These are trains. This is a trolley. Maybe you have trains at home and you could use them to make a shape. You can put them on. See, and I could put them all the way around to make a rectangle. Maybe you have Matchbox cars. You could use Matchbox cars. Ha. Maybe you have some cool, almost invisible looking cars. There's a Lego car. Here's one that lights up. See, that's kind of flashy. So now I made a triangle with different cars. So you could do that. Sorry, not a triangle. What shape did I make? Rectangle! Another thing that I have around the house here was some kind of like beads. So those, if I wanted to, I could put a whole bunch of them all the way around and make an oval or a circle. Well, it's going to take a lot. I'm going to keep going. Here we go. Around the corner. I still need more. Here we go. More. Wow, I need a lot. Good thing I have a whole bunch of them. Might have to do some counting. Ooh, I think we're almost done. Yay! We made an oval. I'm going to count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It took 21 to go all the way around. Wow! All right, you want to see some of the other things that I've got here? I borrowed some Legos from one of my kiddos. You could put those down and you could make a square. I also have, oh, almost got it. Just a couple more. There we go. I made a square with the Legos. I also found some pom-poms. Maybe you have pom-poms at home. And you could use these maybe. I don't have enough right now, but you could use them to make a circle. See what else I have in here. Oh, these are so cool. I also have these. They're called fuzzy sticks or pipe cleaners. You can turn them and bend them to make shapes. What shape did I just make? A square! You could turn it into a circle. Here's a circle. You can make a triangle. Kind of hard to hold it up and make you see. All right, there's a triangle. So you can do those in different shapes. I have, this is called Riff Raff. You can cut pieces. I've got some scissors here. And it's a good thing to practice your cutting too. You can cut pieces and use this to make some shapes. Maybe you have some yarn. You could use it to cut some yarn. But here I'm going to put this down on the paper and then you could even glue it. Maybe you've got some glue. All right, can you see that? See, I made a triangle with it. I have some ribbon. Maybe you could do it with some ribbon. So just look around the house. You can find all sorts of things that you can use around the house. And you can make all different kinds of shapes with them. I'd love to see them if you want to have your parents send me a picture. Have fun. Bye.